Welcome to my channel. Right now I'm just going to show you everything that I had set up for the birthday party before we do the cleanup. And here is the boys' cakes that I had done for their Wonka party, and then you will see all the other food we had set up for the guest, and the chocolate fountain with some, there it is, with all the little things that you could use to dip in the chocolate. And then over here we have sandwiches and some chips, and then all of the drinks that we had for the guest. And as you can see on the ceiling, I did bubbles for the fuzzy lifting drinks that, if you've ever seen the old Wonka, that's part of the movie. Then I have the red carpet for the guests to come in, and then you saw up above the gummy bears hanging. And then on the stairs I did some greenery, and then I hot glued all of these suckers and all the bubble gum together to make my own little garland with some flowers. And then over here I have the big giant suckers for party favors for all the kids to take with them as they leave. And then on the table I did the golden egg area kind of, and then my candy trees. And then over here you will see the good egg and the bad egg. And as we go into the living room area, right here is the lickable wallpaper that the kids could just take their own fruit roll up and eat it as they please. And in this area is like the Wonka vision. I have the glasses there, made my own little TV cutout. And right here is part of the balloon garland that I put together. And then I had this backdrop done I got off of Etsy. Here is the candy table that all the kids went crazy over. There's little bags there that they could fill up and take with them, or carry it around and eat it, take it home. They just loved the candy. Back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be tackling the rest of the party decor that I have not done, get the eating area back into shape, clear all the balloons, and then also just pick up the last little bit of stuff in the kitchen and just get my house back where I like it after this party. So I hope this gives you some motivation, and let's go.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that
Most of this stuff, the storage, the greenery, and all of that, I am saving for who knows what decoration I will come up next, but it's always good just to save it and throw it in the attic because you never know when you will need it again.
what I am thinking. 'Cause I believe in us.
This greenery got pretty tangled up pretty regularly as I was trying to put it away, but I didn't want to throw it all away because I know I will use it with either spring decor or Easter this following year. So it was just really good pieces that I can just, they're separate so you can use them in different areas as well. It's just not one big strip. So there's a lot you can do with it. So I just wanted to save it. The fun part is to pop all of these balloons. There are, I don't know how many balloons there are because I had to go back and buy another pack of 100. So there's probably like 250 balloons. I'm not 100% sure, but there's a lot that we have to take down here. So it's going to take some time.
Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that. It's still uncaught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down.
And now we are finally getting to the last bit of the balloons.
Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more.
Now that everything is taken down in this area, I'm just going to spray everything down and wipe down the table and get everything clean again.
There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah.
So keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night.
And now I had to start the video again and just clean up the living room. That's why I'm in a different outfit, because it is the next evening that I am finishing up filming this video. So I'm just going to pick up blankets and get the living room all picked up and put away last bit of decor that I see laying around, and then just vacuum and get this room into shape again.
Keep it coming through the night. We don't need to slow down. Take it all, give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll have you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn now. You colors burn now. I'll let you in the dark. I'm waiting in the dark, where I can see you so clear. All we got is here and now. So give it all you got. Don't you pay them any mind. Close your eyes, follow the sound.
Now we are making our way into the kitchen. I'm just going to take down the bubbles off the ceiling and just get every little last bit of decor picked up and continue cleaning.
Take it all, give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll have you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. So take it all, give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll have you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn.
And now this was where I hung the donuts off. I got it off Amazon. I'm just going to unscrew all the little pegs that were on there and just clean it all up and get it put away.
Have you in the dark.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should.
Now that I have that cleaned, I'm just going to go ahead and clean all the water bottles and everything that I don't put in the dishwasher. I'm just going to clean it really fast and get everything cleared out of the sink.
Better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy.
And now that everything is off the countertop, I'm just going to give it a good wipe down and make sure that it is clean.
Things out so you don't let me go when I come real close. I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions.
And I am curious, when y'all are watching cleaning videos, do y'all clean along with us, or do you watch them and then make your list of what you need to do and then tackle what you need to do? I'm just curious because I watch them and then clean after I get my motivation. I'm just curious to see what y'all do.
Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, when I love you, tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
Find time, just want the mood to be right. Keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long since I got a glimpse of a light. It's blurring out my eyes. Oh, we should open up a window. Oh, I can't see clear. Oh, yes, I know how to window. Cause it's just my habits, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic. The way that she
Here is the finished product. Everything is clean. No more party decorations out. It just feels so good to have my house back in order with the party being over and everything clean. It makes me so happy. And now, as you can see, it's night outside again. So now it's time for me to go to bed. But I just thank you so much for watching and being here. I appreciate you so much. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. See you next time.
open up your mind. And there's I know how to win a fight. Cause it's just